Morning guys and girls, Mitch of the bushveld here. Today we're going to have a look at the fever tree. Stay with me. When the settlers first came to South Africa, they were under the impression that this tree was giving them malaria. We all know it was from the mosquitoes, however this tree was growing in the same area that you would find mosquitoes. Damp, swampy areas. Perfect breeding grounds for those little suckers. Here's a close-up of the bark. You can see it's got this yellow powder on it, giving it a rather yellow, sickly, feverish kind of texture to it. Very easy to identify in the bush. It's part of the acacia tree, which has got about 500 different species. This particular one though is the one that's green and sickly looking. Now thankfully, to the magic of nature, the inner bark of this tree can be boiled down, can be used for treating fevers and headaches, and traditionally the roots were dug up, dried, ground up and used as a preventative for malaria, making it a very useful tree to know in the bush. This tree also attracts a lot of animals in the bush, especially birds. The weavers, they love to make their nests at the tops of these trees because of the thorns. It helps to protect their nests. The wood of this tree is a very, very hard, dense wood. It's been used a lot for furniture or timber, and it also makes a great spindle if you're making a bow drill set. I'm Mitch of the bushveld. Thank you for joining me today on this little insert about the fever tree. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.